I'm Mrs. Roberts from Palm Crest in 5th grade, and I'm going to show you how to use fair trade. This is found in Chapter 3. Fair trade is when I'm subtracting a fraction from a mixed number. I'll start with my number model. 1 1/4 minus 3/4 equals my unknown. To visualize this, I'm going to use fraction circles, and I'll represent 1 1/4 using two circles. This 1 is shaded in completely to represent one whole, and 1/4 is broken into 4 pieces, and one part is shaded in to represent 1/4. I'm subtracting 3/4, and the way that the fraction circles are now, I'm not able to subtract 3/4. So to subtract 3/4, I'm going to break my 1 up into 4 parts. And my 1 shaded fraction piece from 1/4 remains the same. So I no longer have 1 1/4, I now have 5/4. 5/4 is a fraction that I can subtract 3/4 from. 5 minus 3 is 2. 4 is my denominator. 2/4 is my answer, which can be simplified to 1/2. Okay, the second fair trade problem I'll show you is a little more difficult. We'll start with our number model 2 2/7, and I'm subtracting 6/7. And that equals my unknown. I'll start with my fraction circles once again, and to represent 2 2/7, I'll draw 2 circles or 2 holes that are completely shaded in, and 2/7. And one of those pieces is shaded in. I'm subtracting 6/7. The way that my fraction circles are now does not allow me to subtract 6/7. So what I'm going to do is break up one of my holes into 7s. This one fraction piece remains the same as it did on the left. And now I have my 7 pieces broken up from my whole, and my 1 whole can remain the same. This is no longer 2 2/7, it's 1 9/7. I can take 6/7 away from 1 9/7 to get 1 3/7.